What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play July by Noah Cyrus. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or else I'll gouge your eyes out with a swizzle stick. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and you only need to know a few different chords to play through it. If you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the video description in the free ebook called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free, I give it away in all the videos. It's just a little extra resource for you guys. It has all the major chord diagrams in there, so if you need those, jump into the video description once you get done and get your free ebook. The chords that you need to know are going to be A minor, 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. You need to know this little C over B, C major 9 chord. It's got a couple different names you can call it, but it's 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. And then C major, which is 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. F major, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. G major, 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. And then finally you will need a D minor in here, which is 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 1. So the structure for the song is going to be intro and verse, which are the same thing, chorus, verse, chorus, and then outro guitar, and then it ends on a chorus, but there's no, the guitar stops playing there, so just the outro is going to be the last thing that you're playing on the guitar. So your verse chord progression is pretty simple. It's going to be A, that's C over B, to C, to F. And the way you're doing that is you're going down, down, up, down, 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 up. So down, down, up, and then pick that A string, down, 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 up. So down, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. So down, down, up, down, down, 2, 3. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, F, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's the chord progression for your verses. Your chorus is going to be C, A minor, F, back to A minor, to C, to F, to G, to A minor, to D minor. And the way it looks when you're strumming it is down, down, up, down, up, 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 down. That D minor just ends on one down strum and rings out before you start back into the second verse. So again, down, down, up, down, up, 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 down. So after that, it's just your verse again, then your chorus again. It plays that exact same thing. Now what happens once you ring out on that D minor on the second chorus, it does go back to the C, A minor, and F major for one playthrough. So the same thing that you played at the beginning of the chorus plays through one more time, but just the C, A minor, F. Then it goes back to what you play for the verse for 2 times. So that's 1. This is 2. Then it goes to D minor, to A minor, to F. One more time, D minor, A minor, F. Then they stop playing and they do the chorus a cappella. So all together, right after the second chorus, when you ring out on the D minor, you're still in that same strumming pattern, just down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. You're doing that same strumming pattern. You're just jumping into, right after the D minor, you're going C, A minor, F for 1 time, then A minor. So as you play for the verse, it goes twice. Then D minor, A minor, F. You do that one more time. And then you can end it on a C, because that's when they start the chorus again. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.